Yo, starting off the day with Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and our first order is going to be a Jack in the Box going like 6.5 miles. Thank you. Total for that order was $11. Okay. Interesting. Oh, just so you guys know, on the way here, I passed by 2 other Jack in the Boxes. So that's why you gotta triple check where you're ordering from, because they could have gotten their food in like a fraction of the time. Next up, we've got the Human Bean. This one is like 5.5 miles. It's actually taking me out of my zone. I'm like on the edge of it right now, and I'm not getting bonus pay for that, so that's kind of cringe, but okay.
There's a bagel. Yeah,
you too. So I'm looking at their order, and one of the flavors in their drink is toasted marshmallow. Tell me you aren't craving s'mores right now, and I'm gonna call you a liar. I haven't had s'mores in so long. Ooh, I could go for one. Total for that order was $12. Wow, okay. First 2 orders, pretty good. I mean, they were kind of high mileage, and I am technically out of my zone now. Okay, the drive back into my zone kind of took forever, so maybe those first 2 orders weren't amazing, but we finally got the next order. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $11 going 6 miles, 3 items. Going right back to Safeway. This one is $10, going 4 miles, only 1 item. Yep, just that one. Got this next order right away. This is a Taco Bell going 6 miles. Bro, what time do they open the lobby here? What the heck? Ooh, good tip on that one. Total ended up being $11 and change. Thank you. Next up, we've got a Burgerville. This one's $8 going just under 3 miles. Thank you. We've got a cookie and a milkshake. Somebody's starting off their morning right. I can respect it. We're not doing Earn by Time anymore, and we got a Starbucks. This one said it was $6 and change, but it also said total will be higher. So whatever that means, who knows. Going 2 miles. Thank you. Thank you.
There you go. Thank you.
Total for that order was $6 and change. I think they hid like 10 cents from me, which I guess I shouldn't be surprised about because DoorDash has done that before. I was just expecting a little bit more, but whatever. Got a Gravity coffee. This one's $8 going 4.5 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, have a great day.
You too. Been sitting around for a while, but we finally got the next order. This is a shop and deliver for alcohol, $12 going 3 miles, 4 items.
sorry. This door's been... Okay, I think you might sure.
Thank you.
Still rocking the GoPro, bro.
Next up, we've got a Victor Rico's. This one is $7 and change, going just under 4 miles. Thank you. Yep, have a good one. Thank you. Got this next order right away. It is a Seize the Bagel, $10, going about 6 miles.
Was in the wrong line. Thank you.
And on that note, I'm going to be calling it here. Current time is 10:19. Current total, we are at 104, and we're waiting on one Uber tip, which should bring it up to 109, maybe 110. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.